The kind of environmental crisis that our country is facing, and more specifically when we talk about Delhi, it's almost become a gas chamber. Niti Aayog has said that by 2020, which is this year, groundwater of Delhi is going to run out. We actually have a water crisis. We have a challenging green cover, the number of trees that we've actually chopped in last 1 decade. It's a tough situation that we're dealing with.
At American Express, we believe that serving our communities is not only integral to running our business successfully, it is part of our individual responsibilities as citizens of the world.
PVR's core philosophy has been to address urban risk and vulnerability in the society. And it's been an exciting journey to actually address these programs through our screens of PVR.
When we talk about environment is not just a theory that you need to learn about. It's something which is really linked to action. And that's what our entire Cine Green program has been, where we actually looked at how much do you need to know about issues of environment, but what you need to do about issues of environment. Where we made that one child or that one school an agent of change. Creating programs, doing workshops, actually taking young people to those environmental hotspots. Be it about creating these butterfly gardens, doing something in terms of herbs, or really walking around the forest.
They're moving out from this requirement of being, gadget oriented to something which is pure connection with the nature.
So idea was to do workshops, which are one-off workshops for 1 hour, which are largely awareness based.
Are you the change makers? हम चाहेंगे कि आपके स्कूल में हम शायद एक बटरफ्लाई गार्डन बना सके।
तो दिल्ली में सबसे ज़्यादा डस्ट पार्टिकल्स आपके वायु में है और उसी से बहुत सारा प्रदूषण फैलता है।
Largely, if you look at any of these themes that we work with, they're all very connected with each other. So air is linked to water, is linked to your green spaces, is linked to waste management.
जो बच्चे मॉल घूमने जाते हैं उनसे अगर हम फॉरेस्ट की बात करेंगे तो वो उसके बारे में क्या जानेंगे, और फिर हम सब जगह जाके कहते हैं कि से नो टू प्लास्टिक, पेड़ लगाओ, तो ऐसा बच्चा कैसे पेड़ लगाएगा जिसने कभी घास पे कदम ही नहीं रखा है। आई यूज स्टोरीज विच आर रियल व्हेन वी टेक दीज किड्स टू द फॉरेस्ट वॉक। आपको जो चिड़ियों की आवाज़ें होंगी वो बहुत साफ सुनाई देंगी। When Chipko moment happened, people hugged the tree. So what is the concept of hugging the tree? Why will you hug the tree? And there have been times when children have actually hugged the tree and they have cried. Because if I say that now I'm going to cut this tree, the empathy that they feel for the tree at that point of time is just commendable.
So the Yamuna Walk is essentially, it's a 3 to 4 hour journey where we take students on an experiential visit to see what their water in the city really looks like. Jet black, filthy water meeting the river, that really hits them.
And people also worship it. So worshipping means that it's like God. So if we dirty this river, will we feel nice or will God feel nice?
The best part about leading these walks is the curiosity that comes up with these students and how they are the ones that are so desperate to actually take that action.
So today here we are making a butterfly garden.
तो हमने इन बोटल्स को काटा और काटने के बाद हमने इसमें जो भी हस्क और कंपोस्ट होता है उसको मिक्स करने के बाद इसमें डाला।
They can actually use kitchens and herbs that they grow themselves in the food production lab. So the idea now is that we've got a set of herbs that we've got citronella, lemongrass, basil, pattal chatta, a lot of things that are both medicinal and culinary. The best part about it is that the kids are actually involved in almost everything that you see. So from setting up of the garden, designing of the garden, execution of the whole thing. to the final concluding stages which we're at right now, where everyone's just enjoying and taking it all in, soaking in the entire space that they've built. डाली पे पत्ते थे, पत्ते में, घोंसले में, अंडे में. Well done, very good.
They have been really busy and they have been very excited with the whole concept. And literally the butterfly garden is already set up. We can already see so many butterflies around.
Children can come back, and can surprise you and make this entire experience altogether new for us.
The interesting part about this program this year is that we've inculcated an educator's workshop into the entire programs.
इतना दिन तक मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि फोम इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट से क्रिएट होता है, बट वाटर ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाते, उस वजह से वो फोम क्रिएट होके उस जगह पे सरफेस में रह जाता है.
There are people who interact with students on a regular basis. And it's important for them to actually ensure sustainability of the program and ensure that change in behavior or attitude that we've started from a very basic point of view, from a pilot point of view through this project is sustained in years to come. We brought in the element of filmmaking to the environmental workshops and modules that we run. That's how Cinegreen was born. The idea was to use filmmaking, to use environmental education, to use experiential learning, put it all together.
I think this is one of the experience which children would remember forever, because finally they are moving out from their screens, they are moving out from their gadgets.
After having their own insights, they may like to express it, and we thought of like expressing through the media of film.
आज हमारे में फिल्म मेकिंग के बारे में बताया गया हमें सबको, और ये बहुत अच्छा ही एक्सपीरियंस हुआ हम सबके लिए. इनफैक्ट मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा हुआ. मैं डायरेक्टर और कैमरा डिपार्टमेंट में था, उसमें मैंने कैमरामैन के साथ में रहा और शूटिंग भी मैंने की है.
जो हमने मूवी बनाई उससे हम ये सीख सकते हैं कि जो भी हम यूज़ करते हैं वो रीस्केल कर सकते हैं हम.
Doing it in this form where we are making a film that actually relates to all of us, and we're making a film about this is just so amazing. I'm so thankful, and this was like one of the most coolest, the best experiences we've ever had. And now at least I know how a film is shot, and I don't only see it on cinema. So yeah, thank you.
The last couple of years, there's been a lot of attention with respect to pollution, hygiene, healthcare. The number of children can bring the difference in this entire requirement with respect to sustainability is something which is fabulous.
Because after this, our students, when they'll be going around, they'll really be able to connect to the nature. Wonderful initiative.
I feel that it was a great energy of 4 different organizations that came together, namely Samhita, PVR Nest, Swechha, and the support that we got from American Express.
Giving back to the community has been a corporate value to American Express since our founding. And partnering with Samhita to support impact programs to bring about community change spoke to the core of our CSR philosophy.
Great clarity among all the partners, what is expected, and that was really cherishable. The partnership was also cherishable, I would say.